Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I give tutorials on Blender for absolute beginners. I hope that you had some practice after my first Blender tutorial because in today's video I will be showing you how to apply lighting to your scene. Okay, so when you open Blender, as a default there will be a camera and a point light in the scene. To best demonstrate how lighting works, I will model a box with different meshes. Since we're in a solid viewport, we won't be able to see any lighting effects in the scene yet. So to be able to review how light will look like in the scene once it is rendered, you need to go to the render viewport. Now that you're in a render viewport, as you can see here, the default color of the light is white. Of course, you can change it by clicking the light, then click on the object data properties or this little light bulb symbol. Under the light drop-down menu, there are 4 different types of light that you can choose from depending on what you're trying to achieve. The point light emits light from all directions. It is used when you want to create objects that have a small light source such as a light bulb or a candle. The next one is a sun lamp. It acts like a sun in the scene. This is very powerful, so you will want to use this when you model an outdoor scene or space. Next is a spot lamp. Think of it like a spotlight. It emits light to a specific spot. You can change the diameter of where the light emits. Lastly is an area lamp. It basically emits lights that come from a surface. For example, if you want to create a light source that comes from a TV. Moving on, you can see here different settings. First we have the color. You can choose the color of the light. Next is the power. It changes the intensity of the light. Just a small tip here that if you want to render realistic models or scene, you should change the power, color, and light size to a realistic value. There's a chart that shows you the value. I will have it linked down below, so remember to check it out at the end of this video. That is the end of my short tutorial on lighting for beginners. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you and see you next time.